What a nice day on the island of Sodor.
I'm alive.
Stop making me go through crashes. You're ruining my life. Don't worry about that, Thomas. Let me just send you to a little engine wash so you can get all cleaned up. Here, hop in. And that is why I don't have any eyebrows. Bro, shut up. I'm trying to watch the Clash of Generations. Now back off, you lead paint consumer.
Who you calling lead paint? Staple bottom?
Get out of here, plastic head. You think I'm a plastic head? Look at you. Well, at least it doesn't look like I got plastic surgery. You're just a weak old man. Now watch what I can do. I bet you couldn't lift 2 marshmallows on a stick. Not a scratch. We'll see about that. Ugh. Ugh. Oh. Ugh. 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 I see it. I know what must be done. Ugh. Concentrate. Ugh. Ugh. Ah. Now let me tell you something, old man. We are the best. Tomy is the best. They put the most detail into the engines. We ended the weird early engineers and soul train movements. And we were seriously underutilized. We are the superior brand of wooden railway. You are nothing more than a mere prototype. You hear me, old man? I am the best. I am Tomy. You win. See? Even the old man accepts it. I am done with this battle. You win in my dreams.